Hi everyone, you're watching 5 Faves with me, Tisha Wheaton, and I am our e-commerce member experiences manager here. And today I'm going to be showing you 5 of my favorite items in the travel category for the summer edit sale. And if you're not familiar with the summer edit sale, which I don't know why you're not familiar yet, this is the private membership that you are part of, and you get to have an exclusive and up to 70% off of so many products and categories in our sale. Summer Edit Sale starts July 1st for select members and then July 4th for all additional members. So make sure you shop the sale. And if for some reason you're not a member, right here, make sure you become a member and you will get access to some amazing deals. And before I get to my favorites, make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe. That way, you'll stay tuned. So right here is the Isaac Mizrahi 3-piece travel set, and it has sturdy mesh zipper. There's 3 different size pouches and it stays locked in here, so it's perfect, especially if you have like a backpack or a purse, or you just want to use this kind of as a clutch, which I would do. You can put your passports in here, any ID. Then the other pocket is like probably even if you had something you wanted to read later on in the flight, you could store in there. And then on the back end, here's almost like more storage. And I love that it's see-through, so it's super easy too to just kind of like either show to TSA or put it down on the belt. And then we have this awesome blue one. So this is polka dot. I just wanted to show you really quick. There's a cool design on here too. And this zipper with like the eye, little icon for Isaac. But yeah, this is really, really cute. And then our other product that we have is the DP Hue travel size ACV hair rinse. And this I actually love. Yes, it has apple cider vinegar, but the smell does not stay. It has natural ingredients in it, which I love. There's a little hint of nice lavender, argan oil, so it also helps to release the impurities, but moisturize your scalp from scalp essentially down to your ends. And it also has a little bit of aloe vera in there too. So everything's like calming, relaxing. It's not stripping, but it's a nice rinse. This for me, especially when I've gone on vacations where, yeah, it's in the sun and you're active, but you don't necessarily want to do like a full on shampoo session. You just kind of want to get your scalp and everything feeling good. And just a quick hint on how to use this product, make sure you put it on wet hair, put it on your scalp. This little nozzle is perfect for the scalp application, and just kind of take it from your roots here and just work it down and let it sit. You'll feel a big, big difference, but it's also super like therapeutic as you're doing it. You can just massage in. This is invigorating, refreshing. I like it a lot. So make sure you check out in Summer Edit the DP Hue travel size ACV rinse. Love it. Next up is the B-Tan Travel Essentials Kit. And yes, I already do have my own Melanin Glow, but honestly, don't be afraid if you already have color to get more color. Great for evening out skin tone and everything. So it starts with this awesome, amazing universal mitt that you get out of this package. And I like this mitt. It's spongy, good for circular motions, and it has the microfiber velvety feel to it. And then just like anyone that knows a good tan session, you have to start with like a little pre-shower rinse. So this is your 9-minute tanner. So that way you can continue to get the best deep set in tan while on vacation. And this you put on, wait 9 minutes, you can hop in the shower, rinse off, and you're ready to go. Perfect for travel. And then if you have more time, this is the 1 hour, and this is when you wanna go to the darker side of things. So this is the B-Tan, I want the darkest possible. And this will be the 1 hour one that you can do, and then you can rinse off just like the other ones. And then this is your moisturizer, and this is a gradual moisturizer with a tint, so you can constantly apply it on, and it's not gonna be like, Oompa Loompa land. It'll always be a nice, soft glow and intensifying as you just layer things. And the best part about this B-Tan Travel Essentials Kit is it's all TSA sizes, so it's perfect. And the mitt as well, you can always keep this bag so that way it doesn't get all messy in your suitcase, and it's resealable with a little press, so that's also super cool too. Next up, I have to make some space for us. This is the knitted Half Moon Straw Tote, and it's knitted over the handle, and then it has its own little pattern. It is fully lined, which is awesome. And I'm actually gonna show you, this fits everything. I have a moment, I think, with this bag, with my Rowana. I'm gonna fit everything in here. Get tan, double tan at the beach. I think this is like the perfect size. And you're still ready to go. You have some space to spare, maybe a little cell phone, some other fun stuff from our summer edit sale. Let's get back to business. More business. So this is Band of Gypsies Rowana, which you might think is a kimono, but it's not. It's actually better. These are super long, so ladies, if you're tall, this is amazing. Here's the one print, so you can wear it kind of like this, and you have this part here. You can wrap like this. It's also really, really cool as a sarong. And like I said, super, super long, but there's this print, and we also have, this is like a nice tropical summer color too. I'm very Caribbean right now. This could be good for over your bathing suit. This could also be something that's nice to kind of drape over your summer dress. Nice, breathable. I would honestly still just wear this as kind of a little overtop too. You don't necessarily need to have it just for the beach or the pool. This is a nice little dress up Rowana. And you kind of have a tropical print here. And then you also have kind of like the garden party print. So when you're out of town, you do that one. When you're in town, this is a little less threatening. It's like Debbie. No one ever was scared of Debbie. She wears the nice garden party sarong. Excuse me, Rowana. But those are definitely great length for everyone. And if you love to wear kind of the wedge heels at the beach and or the pool, I think that that will be like a nice little draping story as you're just walking with your Rowana on imprinted. So you just saw some of my 5 favorite travel items for the summer edit sale, and we want to know what you think. So leave us a comment, come on, below. Seriously, leave them, we will look. And honestly, don't forget, sign up, become a member if you already aren't one. And I would love to know what you're gonna be bringing in addition to these things on your vacation, because you're gonna plan one now. I know I am. Happy summer edit shopping.